Hello, my friends. It's great to see that you're back. Persistence is the most important part of learning how to play the violin. So, we talked about the bow hold. That wasn't hard, was it? Holding the violin is even easier. But before we get there, we'll talk about posture. Now, in the history of violin playing, we have the whole spectrum of body posture. One tradition tells you to have the weight of the body on the left leg, another one on the right leg, to lean forward, to lean back, to turn the left foot to the side, or to have the right foot to the side, to turn both of them away, to put one foot in front of the other, or the opposite, and so on. You get the picture. Since the purpose of this course is to examine the knowledge we have about violin and find really what is most natural to the body. In other words, what would be the easiest way to do it, because things that are natural to us we do without effort. So we instead are going to use a posture that's very instinctive, one which we use every day, and one which will make playing violin easier. If you're working with a teacher and your teacher has a particular way of explaining the violin posture, I encourage you to follow their description, because they can actually see you from a side and give you particular recommendations. If what I suggest here differs with what you're used to doing, just follow what feels most natural to you. In case you don't have a teacher and you don't have any other option of getting an advice, here I'll offer you my understanding about the violin hold, and will try to guide you to discover a posture based on the way we use our body every day.